Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box, and today in this video we are going to learn a flower icon. So let's start without wasting any time. So for this I'm just do with my clips tool, okay, and see here this is a clips tool and this is the flower icon. Okay, so it will be like this, and this is the red one, this one, this is also the same color, and it's a color. Okay, now this is the basic icon and anyone can do this. Just start from scratch. So here for the showing of variation, just change the color and so like this. Okay, and you can clearly see the differences, and just here some lighter versions because the light is come from this part, and just take this like this. Okay, now this is the basic structure, and now open this one and rotate this one also. Okay, nice. Now for the rest of the part I'm just taking a circle like this and another circle like this. Okay, and remember one thing, don't copy like me, just try what I'm saying or doing here, another version, and DM me on Instagram or you can mail me. Okay, so this will be convenient. Now so see this is the part. Okay, now I'm just want this portion should be like this. Okay, now put it here, and now hit alt and rotate like this, hit alt, rotate like this. Okay, okay, so this is the basic thing. Now from here I'm just draw this part, and now see this is basic, it should be basic. Now with the help of width tool, what I'm going to do, just increase the size. Okay, now it's good enough. And now for the rest of this part I'm making to make a leaf, so this one, and now change the color into a lighter version of this color. So now see this one, and now just a little bit of paint this thing. Okay, now for this one to take like this, and one of this things like this. Okay, and now with the help of this width tool, okay, just change the width of this. Okay, now this one. Okay, and this one, and now to change the height somewhat like this, and just like this, like this, and okay. Now see, this is go to the path, outline stroke. Now cut this thing. Okay, now group, and object, path, outline stroke. Now see here, pathfinder. After pathfinder, you can see this is I'm changing the color of this. Is somehow lighter one, so this thing, and now change the color of this one accordingly. First of all, you should ungroup this one, and also you should ungroup this one and change the color to this one. And it looks very awkward, so just putting it behind. Okay, now see, this is our flower is ready, but here I think this is a problem, so I'm going to fix this issue. Okay, nice. So it's okay. Now what I'm going to do, just with the help of this brush, and this brush is now this 15, and I'm just going to use this calligraphy brush. Okay, or calligraphic pen brush. So here I'm going to write love. Okay, see this thing, and here you can change the setting also, the smooth one. So this is with this 12. I'm going to change this to 10. Okay, so now see, this is handwritten effect. Okay, now okay, and okay, nice. Now easily this sticker is looking awesome. Okay, see, this is almost done. This is almost done, but before doing anything else, just go here and path, outline stroke. Now this, all of this is a object now. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.